Welcome to Voyager. On going Sikkim, we started our journey from Barasat Colony More at 4 am in the morning. On the same day, we have reached Siliguri at night 8:30 pm. On the next day, we started from Siliguri around 8 am in the morning. Now we are on the way of Sikkim Borong. You have get several bridges. After crossing Balashan Mahananda, we have crossed Shebok Bridge. Now you get the Meli checkpoint. It is the entry point of Sikkim. Now for bye bye West Bengal, and we are in Sikkim. The roads are amazing. It is feeling like awesome, just awesome. Trees, hilly plants. Guys, you will just watch it and feel it. Roads are like just heavenly feeling. I am speechless. Now we are going towards Namchi. Almost we have reached Namchi Bazar. It is the Namchi Bazar. You have to take left turn to reach Borong, Sikkim. We take left. Here we got some landslides. Now we are going towards Temi Tea Garden. It seems roads are touches the sky. Rain happens sometimes before we reached here. These are tea plants. It planted the slopes of the hill. Now we reached Temi. This is Temi Tea Garden. Guys, you can buy some cup of tea and enjoy it with the beauty of nature. This is Temi. We entered tea plant. You can see the hills. Wonderful sight. Due to rainfall, roads are slippery. Look at the plants. There are some cliques of tea. You can also get your lunch here. There are many shops of momos, and these are amazing to taste. This is Old Ralang Monastery besides our homestay. You can stay sometimes here and feel the holiness of the monastery. Idol of the goddess of the monastery. Old manuscripts. This is the school of monks. Now it is Buddha Park, the renowned place of Sikkim, the Lord Buddha. Inside the Buddha Park. This is the waterfall, situated 3 slopes away from our homestay. The sound of nature's creation, the waterfall. These falls are sources of edible water. Here we spend some times and take some clicks. Waters are trickled down by the hills. This is the Titanic viewpoint, another tourist attraction of Sikkim. You can spare some time here and take clicks. This is the view of Titanic viewpoint. We just stop our car and see how rain wet the another side of hill, but we remain dry. The nature, beautiful. This is our homestay, the balcony in front of our room. It's Mount Narsim. Guys, you can enjoy and start your day with a cup of hot tea and the beautiful sight of Mount Narsim. The Mount Narsim covered with snow. This is our room, totally messed up. This is chili, Dale Kursani, recently got the GI tag. The cropping field of our homestay. Just take a look. They served totally organic food which are grown in their own cropping field, including chickens and milk. These are squash vegetable. Look at that. The hilly flower, Indrakamal. Some fern and mosses. The regional cucumber, grown in our homestay cropping pit. This is kitchen and its surrounding places. This is our dining room, cooking place. They served hot, delicious food. Too yummy. Hilly dog. Another site of our homestay. These are cardamom plants. It is the house one slope down from our homestay. The cardamom and plants of homestay. Different types of mosses. One fine morning, during a morning walk, you can explore the unknown slopes of hills with the sound of birds. It really feels thrilling. Feel the silence of forest. We are on the way of sightseeing. This is Samdurse, backside of it. Sikkim Chardham, inside of Chardham. On the next day morning, after morning walk, returning to our homestay, we see the Mount Narsim fully covered with snow as the day is fully sunny. These are rooms of our homestay. At noon, we went to the regional market, Ravangla, for some marketing. Roads are too stony Waterfalls are very often here. Waterfalls flows across the path somewhere. You can dip your legs with chilled ice melted water. Crystal clear water. On the next day, we are on the way to Hot Spring. This is the starting point of Hot Spring. Roads are too thrilling. Somewhere it is stony and it fully covered with forest. Somewhere you can get high slopes and somewhere there are no slope. We have taken bamboo stick with us for support and also a guide. We reached Hot Spring. It's river Rangit. Hot and cold water merged together. You can get a shower both in the hot spring and cold water of Rangit. Don't forget to take a water bottle with you. This is the hot spring. We are now returning back to our homestay. Have a look to the route. Look at the route. You can get little bit trekking experience from the root of hot spring. Some cliques of greenery. Wonderful sights. It is the time to return home. The clouds are in our heights, coming through the window of our car. This is one of the finest travel through hills, forest, silence, peaceness, and also with our infinite mind. The time we spent together in Sikkim and the moments of our journey by car will always remain close to my heart. Thank you for watching and please support us.